Cardi B's son is called Wave. Cardi B's son is called Wave. Cardi B and fellow rapper, Offset, have remained tight-lipped about the name of their second child, who was born in September 2021, until now. Alongside the first public photo of her son, Cardi wrote on Instagram, "Wave set Cephas." Following the big reveal, the I Like It hitmaker took to Twitter to reveal that her husband had suggested the name and knew that it was the perfect one. Alongside a video, which showed her baby's name written out in jewelry, she wrote, "When Set suggested Wave, I was sold. That had to be his name." The 29-year-old Cardi B has been married to Offset, 30, since 2017, and the pair welcomed their first son, Kulture, back in 2018. Cardi B explained that they had gone through a lot of sad things when she made her firstborn known to the public, which is why they kept Wave's anonymity for a while. She said, "We went through a lot of sad things when it comes to culture. Terrible behavior that not even the older kids have ever been through. So many people will post mean, disgusting things, just to get a reaction from us. We want to protect our feelings, because we get very, very angry and upset." Open It Up hitmaker Offset is also father to Yoron, 12, and 7-year-olds Cody and Kalia from previous relationships, and he explained that it is a blessing to be part of a blended family. In a joint interview with Essence magazine, he said, "It's a blessing to be able to have them all together, and to have a wife who's open and treats them as if they're her kids. It could be an issue, but I don't have to go through that, and that's beautiful." Brought to you by Jamaica News.